Okay, in this video you're gonna see how to download code blocks for Windows or any other OS of your choice. First step is to open Google Chrome and type in code blocks. The first link which you see as codeblocks.org, here you press on downloads, then download the binary release. Here you can see multiple OSs which you can download it to. Here you will be able to see many setups. Here you have to particularly press on min GW setup. As you can see in the note, we can see that min.gw project is included in the setup. Press on sourceforge.net. The file will start downloading. After it is done downloading, you have to go to downloads folder. There you have to press on the setup, that is min.gw setup. You have to press S for any changes. The setup will take a few minutes. After the setup is done, you'll get a menu saying do you want to run code blocks right now. Just press yes. Here you have to check whether there is the GCC GNU, that is the compiler, working or not. So you go to an empty file, try to execute a program. Here you can see a run button which you have to press. It will ask you whether you have to build it. Just press yes to this. And you can see your output. This is how you install code blocks on your computer.